Hi, to enable and disable eye comfort mode on your Honor Magic 7 Lite, just find and open settings on the phone and here find desktop display and brightness. After that, scroll a bit down and here it is, Honor Eye Comfort Display. Tap it to select and now we can select one of those two options. We can set as scheduled or enable all day. Basically, this mode reduces blue light and makes using the screen more comfortable for your eyes. So let's tap to enable all day, and after that we can simply filter out blue light to reduce eye fatigue. So you can just drag this slider left to make the screen cooler, or right to make it warmer like that, or set right to the middle. Or you can disable to use all day and set a schedule. So choose when this mode will turn on and turn off. And then confirm by tapping OK and make sure that the switcher is blue like that. And to quickly activate or deactivate the mode, you can unroll the top bar and click on this eye comfort icon. So let's find it in this list. And here it is, eye comfort. So to activate, tap the icon once, and to turn off, tap again. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.